Welcome to another MECH 1000 video. In this video I want to show you how to zip folders together into a zip folder for submission. Now, depending on who your instructor is, you may want to double check with them. Not all instructors prefer drawings to be submitted in this way, but I do. So I want to show you how to do it. For chapter 1, we have two drawings that I've created here, drawing 1-2 and 1-4. Depending on when you are taking this class, maybe these drawings were assigned to you, maybe not. You should always check your syllabus to make sure you're doing the correct drawings. But the way that you can combine these two drawings into one zipped folder for submission is to click on one of them, hold the control button down, and click the other. So you need to hold the control button down and select both. Or, since these are the only two items in this folder, I can click and drag my mouse to highlight both of them. Or if I had a big long list of items I wish to select, I could choose the first item in the list, hold down the Shift button, and choose the last item. However you select them, you just want to make sure that both drawings are highlighted, and then simply right-click and send it to a compressed zipped folder. And again, I ask that you include your name in all of your files that you save, or folders in this case. So I included my name in both drawings, and then I zipped them together, and then I'll call this maybe Whitson Chapter 1. And so when I'm ready to submit, this is what I will upload to Blackboard. So speaking of uploading to Blackboard, let me walk you through how to do that. In our Blackboard shell in Assignments Week 1, and the first item is the Chapter 1 drawing assignment. So you need to click right on the name of the assignment, and I've included a rubric that will show you how the drawing will be created, some reminders of directions, refer to the syllabus for which drawings are assigned, combine them into a zip folder, which we just did, include your name and drawing number in each of the file names, which I did. I typically give students until Thursday of the following week. So since this is week 1 of the semester, you have until Thursday of week 2 to submit them, and each drawing is worth 10 points. So to actually attach your drawings now to this submission, scroll down until you get to this area here inside this dashed line that says Attach Files, and we can browse our computer. And you may have to do a little bit of browsing to find where you've got it saved. Mine's in my, not personal, but my Zane State, MECH 1000, inside my Solutions, Chapter 1, Assignment 1. There we go. There is the zipped folder that we just created. So rather than submitting two individual items, we can just pick the one item, click Open, it's attached, and then don't forget to hit Submit. I have some students who attach it, and then they just close out their web browser, and they never actually hit the Submit button. So you have to be sure to hit the Submit button. And I'm getting the message that it's not saved because I'm not an actual student enrolled in this class. I'm the instructor, and Blackboard knows that, so it won't allow me to submit something. But you should be able to submit with no problems, and then that's it. So again, be sure to include your name in the file name that you create. My personal preference is for drawings to be zipped together, but check with your instructor to see what their preference is, and then submit the drawings to Blackboard by attaching the drawing files to the assignment.